In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a project in Basecamp. If you've been invited to collaborate on a project, the process is quick and simple, and I'll walk you through it so you can jump in with confidence. First, open your browser and paste the invitation link you received in your email. You can only join a project if you've been invited, so make sure you're using the exact link from that email. If clicking the link doesn't open the page, copy it and paste it directly into your browser's address bar. The link should take you to Basecamp's sign-in page. If you have multiple Basecamp accounts, keep in mind that the invite is tied to a specific one, so be ready to sign in with the correct credentials associated with that invitation. On the sign-in screen, you'll see a prompt to continue. Click Next to proceed. This moves you into the secure sign-in flow and prepares Basecamp to check your account details. If you're prompted for additional verification later, such as a code, that's normal and helps keep your account safe. Now type in the email address and the password you use for Basecamp. Take a moment to double check for typos, especially if your browser autofills your details. If you're unsure which email the invite was sent to, look back at the invitation message and use that same address here. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option on the page rather than guessing repeatedly. And as a quick security reminder, avoid entering your details on shared or public devices, and don't share your login information with anyone. Once your email and password are entered, click Log In. After a moment, you'll be taken straight into the project you were invited to. You should land on the project home, where you'll see tools like message boards, to-dos, and files depending on how the team has set things up. That's it, you've successfully joined the project. If you don't see the project immediately, you might be in the wrong account or the session may not have refreshed yet. Try using the invitation link again, or sign out and sign back in with the correct email. To recap, open the invite link in your browser, click Next, enter your email and password, and then click Log In. With those simple steps, you're in and ready to collaborate. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new project space in Basecamp.